channel. Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
EC orders repeat polls in a jury as Chief Whip Denish Obua Jalameso race remains undecided. No winner yet in a jury MP contest despite early reports declaring Jalameso victor. I am Denish Ongora, this is Now News Channel. The Ajuri County parliamentary seat remains hotly contested following the Electoral Commission's decision to all repeat elections in 18 polling stations. The main contenders are the incumbent MP and government chief whip Denish Obua and UPC candidate Fred Jalameso. District Election Officer Jessica Adon-Shen said a jury has 178 polling stations, but results from only 160 were fully tallied. Disagreements arose during the tallying process, leading to the suspension of results from 17 polling stations in Away sub-county and one in Abao sub-county. Adon emphasized that no candidate has been officially declared winner despite preliminary results, placing Jalameso ahead of Obua. Some national media houses wrongly declared Jalameso winner and published Obua's photo among losers before an official declaration. Repeat elections will be held on January 27 with no campaigning allowed. The Electoral Commission has urged journalists to report responsibly and rely on verified information to avoid misinformation and public anxiety.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.